Good morning. Molweni sanibona bafowethu. Njani niyaphila? Asithembe niyaphila. Mfoka Mkhonzweni nibingelelayo ekuseni nje. Ngiyabonga kakhulu guys. Ngiyabonga ngendlela nisupporta ngayo le channel. Yingakho manje ngithi ake ngamukele bonke abasha ama-new subscribers ku-YouTube. Nabo bonke abasha ama-new followers ku-TikTok. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu ngokukhethekile. Bese ngiphinde nje ngibonga wonke okhona la esinaye la since le channel yaqala ukuba khona. Ngiyanibonga guys. Ngicela-ke nalabo abaviwayo ama-video engiwa-uploadayo ukuthi basubscribe if bangaka-subscribe, baphinde bafollowe if bengaka-follow. Kuyosisiza kakhulu ukuthi sikhulise i-channel yethu, sikhone nokufaka ezinye izinto eziningi ezizoba usizo kule channel ukuthi ibe interesting nakakhulu. Njengoba nje kuyi-podcast sikhona noku-invite ama-guests esizo-discuss-a nawo ama-issues athile nge-South Africa. Siyabonga. Ngenza le video-ke ngokukhethekile. Ngifuna nje ukukhuluma ngesimo engisibone senzeka lapha e-Addington Primary School eThekwini. Isimo engisibone laphiyana sivusa into engilokhu ngihlezi ngiyisho la, okokuthi sihlezi sisho sibaningi eSouth Africa ukuthi i-government yase-South Africa ekhona njengamanje ibukeka i-hopeless ngempela. Ibukeka ingena-plan, ibukeka ingena-idea, ibukeka ingena-solution ukuthi yini okufanele iyenze ngokuqondene nabantu ababuya kwamanye amazwe, ikakhulukazi neighboring countries khona la e-Africa. So ayina solution. Uyabona lento sohlezi siyikhuluma kuyoze impela kwenzeke lokhu esixwayisa ngakho ukuthi kugcine kune-war noma kunempi enkulu between ordinary South Africans and immigrants noma labo ababuya ngaphandle kwe-South Africa. Kuyoze even affect-eke nabantu ababuya kwamanye amazwe abala ngokusemthethweni, abala legally. Because mawungabuka indlela i-anger eloku ikhula ngayo, i-anger eloku ikhula ngayo kubantu base-South Africa ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo ekutheni i-government idile nesimo sabantu bokufika, kuyakutshela ukuthi lento iyakuphi. And manje ngizibuza one thing ukuthi kahle kahle lapha kuhulumeni ngabe ngempela uma behlangene njenge-cabinet yini kahle kahle abayi-decide-ayo noma abayihlelayo ngokudila nalento yabantu bokufika. Because ake nje ngikhulume specific ngalento beyenzeka e-Addington. Ngizwile laphiyana mangilalela kule altercation ebikhona laphiyana kuma-leader e-March and March na those so-called noma laba abazibiza ngama-leader aleya ndawo okungabantu base-South Africa ngendlela engizwe ngayo i-language abakhuluma ngayo. Kubonakale ikakhulu laphiyana kune-argument between South Africans. Uyayizwa leyo nto? Kukhona ama-South Africans abemi ngapha, nabantu bokufika abalwela ukufaka iy'ngane zabo esikolweni, even ezinye zazo lezo y'ngane ezingenama-documents. Even bese lento mawuyilalela kahle se-involve even nabantwana abanawo ama-documents aba-accept-iwe kule sikolo. Ngoba manje sekukhona nane-anger even against them laba abamukelwe kule sikolo benawo ama-documents abavumelayo. Kodwa manje into mawungabheka esuse konke lokho indaba yokuthi lesa sikolo, even not just that school alone, because umthetho okhona njengamanje eSouth Africa othi iy'kole zase-South Africa noma ngathi ama-public schools, iy'kole zikahulumeni, umthetho uthi azibamukele bonke abantwana abazo-aplaya esikolweni, even if bengenawo ama-birth certificates noma bengenawo ama-documents acacisa ngabo ukuthi babuya kuphi. Usho njalo umthetho, nami ngiwazi kanjalo. Kodwa manje i-issue lapho ikhona ukuthi abantu base-South Africa kunzima ukuyi-understand-a le nto. Ngani na? Ngoba abaningi into abayishoyo ukuthi bathi uma befika lapha kuleza iy'kole uthole ukuthi azisaba-accept bona bengama-South Africans, kuthiwe sekugcwele. Besides-ke indaba yokuthi abasaba-accept noma beba-accept-a, kusenalento ekhona yokuthi yini eyenza kube lula kangaka ngohulumeni wase-South Africa ukuthi uze ukwenze kube semthethweni, kube into eyamukeleka ukuthi even ama-undocumented learners a-accept kule y'kole. Abaku-understand. So manje le nto lena ithanda-ke ukuba nzima, yiko ngithi izohamba ihambe igcine ingasalawuleki. Ubonile nawe izolo le-altercation lapha. Mhlawumbe nje uyifake i-clip ekugcineni kwale video uzibonele uma kuwukuthi akwabona. Kodwa ngicabanga ukuthi iningi lenu libonile into beyenzeka between lapha nama-South Africans ewodwa, esexabana ewodwa ama-South Africans, because kunala ama-South Africans athi akayizwa yona le nto yokuthi kumukelwe labantwana, bese kuba nala ama-South African athi no, abantwana abamukelwe bonke, bangabukwa ukuthi abanama-documents and all that. And manje naku mhlawumbe okunye engifuna ukusho, labantwana abangenama-documents, ngokwazi kwami nangendlela engibuke ngayo isimo isikhathi eside ngibuka lolu daba, abanye balabantwana abangenama-documents abakhona la South Africa, abakhona la. Siyabazi abanye, nami-ke ngike ngasebenza ngala ma-case afana nala. Uthi uma wenza i-profiler umndeni walabantwana, uthole ukuthi abazali bala South Africa, but ngenxa yezizathu ey'thile nokungahleleki kuka-Home Affairs wase-South Africa, uthole ukuthi bagcina abazali balabantwana benganawo ama-ID, or uthole ukuthi bobaba balabantwana banawo ama-ID, mhlambe bomama abangenawo. Ifike i-Home Affairs ithi angeke size simnike umntwana isitifiketi uma kuwukuthi umama akanasitifiketi. Uyayibona? So ubaba mayethi uyazama ukuthathela ingane isitifiketi kugcine kungaphumeleli. Kuye kwahanjwa kwaze kwafika ko-Lawyers for Human Rights, lapho yafike yawina khona i-case njengikhumbulayo uma ngaphosa 2019, ethi abobaba base-South Africa, even noma bengashadile nabomama bey'ngane, banalo ilungelo lokuthi bangahamba baye e-Home Affairs bayo-aplayela abantwana iy'tifiketi zabo. Kodwa i-Home Affairs namanje ayi-implement leyo court judgment leyo. Ngikhulumela abobaba base-South Africa mina, abakhona uku-aplayela abantwana iy'tifiketi zabo. So uma ngabe kufikwa-ke lapha esikolweni labantwana bengena-iy'tifiketi, labo bantwana bafike babe mdibi munye manje, babalwe nabantwana ababuya ngaphandle kwe-South Africa, because nabo abanay'tifiketi. Ithiwa-ke into enjengaleyo, it goes back to le nto bengisho ngo-Home Affairs ukuthi sibulawa u-Home Affairs. In short, sibulawa u-government. U-government wethu e-South Africa awuhlelekile, abanangqondo, angikusho lokho, abanangqondo, ikakhulukazi indlela abarana ngayo u-Home Affairs. Yingakho sikule mess ekhona njengamanje. Angifuni ukungena ngijule kakhulu kule nenye le yama-refugees, asylum seekers and everything. Angifuni ukuze ngifike kuleyo. Ngikhuluma nje mina ngendaba yama-South African parents kodwa aney'ngane ezingenama-birth certificates. Nawo amanye ama-file nami ngokwami kuyakutshela ukuthi sisenkingeni ngalo government. And manje njengoba kwenzeka kanje kulwa ama-South Africans, le nto ingagcina ibanga i-civil war, and le civil war uma ungabheka izogcina isupportwa yibo abantu bokufika. Kulwa ama-South Africans against South Africans, enye i-faction ilekelelwa ngabantu bokufika. Kuyokwenzakalani? Lento nje yenzeke lapha e-Addington mangabe ungumuntu okuhulumeni, especially makuwukuthi ungumuntu osendaweni efana no-Home Affairs, kuthini ukubuka kwakho leya nto eyenzeke lapha? Because leya nto ifake i-anger even kubantu ebebengekho lapha. Uyayibona ukuthi kuza kanjani. Namanye-ke amalokhu njani amadoda abuya kwamanye amazwe ongiwazile lapha ekhulumela abantwana bawo okuliwa nabo lapha ukuthi bangangeni kule sikole. Uyezwa le ndoda mayikhuluma le nale, akusiba la South Africa, balwela abantwana babo. Baze bathini, azathini la madoda athi thina labantwana nje basibafake la, siyayikhokha intela kuleli lizwe, siyasebenza kuleli lizwe, senza yonke into. Kufaka i-anger kwakona lokho ukuzwa amadoda abeya ngaphandle kulama South Africans ukuthi kwakhona ukuthi nithi niyasebenza la, abanye abase South Africa bengasebenzi, kwakhona ukuthi nithi nikhokha i-tax, abanye bengakhoni ukuthi basebenze eSouth Africa. Kuyinkinga kwakona lokho. Uyabona lento ukuthi ya-escalate seyizogcina yenzani, seyizogcina yenza ukuthi even nabantu la South Africa legally igcine manje iba-affecta lento, and i-serious ngempela. So uhulumeni wethu siyacela ukuthi uyisukumele ngokushesha lento ingakonakali, ingaqhumi le boom ekuwukuthi njengamanje ingahle iqhume noma nini. So siyohlezi sisho lento, silokhu sisho sithi uhulumeni wethu phaphama, sukuma, kukhona into ezayo. Ngoba manje nje kukhulunywa ngalabantwana ababuya ngaphandle kuthiwa bamukelwe ey'kolweni zase-South Africa. Uma ungabheka lento isithe ukushifta kancane kule beyiloku idingidwa kulo nyaka odlule ukuthi ama-South Africans amaningi awasebenzi, kodwa kusebenza bokufika. Sibonile kuxoshwa abantu abaningi emafemini ababuya kumazwe angaphandle be-replace-wa ngabantu base-South Africa. Uyayibona? So maningi ama-organization manje asunguliwe e-South Africa, ahambe ephume engena ekhipha abantu bokufika abaqashiwe emafemini ase-South Africa, ikakhulukazi ama-illegal immigrants, bese kufakwa ama-South Africans. Uyayibona lento ithe ukushifta kancane manje njengoba kuJanuwari sekungenwe ey'kolweni-ke manje, kuvikelwa-ke manje abantwana base-South Africa abangakhoni ukuthola iy'ndawo ey'kolweni, okukholakala ukuthi zithathwe ngabantwana ababuya kwamanye amazwe aba-undocumented. So uyabona ukuthi lento iya-escalate. Angazi noma uhulumeni wethu uyibhekile yini. So President Ramaphosa nekhabhinethi yakho, siyacela ukuthi ulisukumele lo daba. Kuningi okwenzakalayo ngalolu daba eSouth Africa, and iyakhula lento. Umbuzo uthi uzokhona yini ukudila nalo mlilo uma ususha ubuhanguhangu? Ngoba njengamanje uma ungabheka ulayitiwe umetshiso kule simo sekuthi umlilo uthi uma uvutha ubholwe uvuthwe, kodwa uma ngabe umlilo soloku ulayidwa le nale uzogcina usha ubuhanguhangu, ugcina ungasalawuleki. Yingakho sithi uhulumeni awuthole i-strategy, awuthole i-plan yokudila nalento. Ube ukhumbula kodwa into eyodwa kuqala ukuthi as ulapho president nekhabhinethi yakho, njengalapho nibekwe ubani njengoba nilapho, iyona into okufuna niyikhumbule kuqala. Nibekwe ngabantu base-South Africa. Always uma nenza noma yiphi decisions noma ama-decisions, kufanele nikhumbule ukuthi abantu base-South Africa yibona abayi-priority. Uyayibona, yibona abayi-priority. Angisho ngalokho ukuthi ngithi abantu ababuya ngaphandle akufanele banakwe, kufanele ukuthi baconsider-ishwe nabo, ikakhulukazi laba abala ngokusemthethweni funa baconsider-ishwe. But even noma kunjalo, South African citizens must come first, and kufanele ukuthi nibenze abantu base-South Africa bazibonele ngokwabo ukuthi yes, siyakuzwa okushiwo uhulumeni futhi siyakubona okwenzayo, but siyabona futhi ukuthi usibeka phambili. Ngoba njengamanje iningi labo laba se-South Africa uyababona ukuthi banomuzwa ukuthi engathi babekwe ngathi bawu-number 2 manje, sekubekwa phambili abantu ababuya ngaphandle kuleli. So mina ngithi kuko konke lokhu akusiba abantu ababuya emazweni angaphandle okufuna babhlenywe. Ngiyakuphinda lokho, we can't blame them, we must blame our government up from the president kwehlele cabinet ukuya phansi bonke abaphethe njengamanje uhulumeni wase-South Africa yibona mina ngithi asibuke bona siblame bona ngendlela yokuthi abakhoni ukuqhamuka nesolution kulento. Uyabona abantu bokufika bebangeke bayenze yonke lento le ukube uhulumeni wethu usebenza ngendlela ebeka ama-citizens ase-South Africa qala. Yilokho-ke ngikusho nje ngomfoka Mkhonza sohlezi siyiphusha le ndaba simkhuthaza uhulumeni ukuthi akasuke athathe isinyathelo kungonakali kakhulu kungonakali. Altercation nje ozoyibona la kule video engizoyifaka manje kuyakutshela ukuthi uma lento ingenzeka endaweni eziningi eSouth Africa uhulumeni uyogcina ungakhona ukuyilawula lento. Yilokho nje umfoka Mkhonza lo bafethu ake niphawule nani ngalodaba nithini uthini umbono wenu ngokwenzeka e-Addington nokwenzeka kwezinye izikole eMzansi. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, share this video and uphinde ufollow na TikTok Sikhulise channel. Ngiyanibonga kakhulu sohlangana kwi-video elandelayo. Thank you.
Forever and here forever. I can't go anywhere. South Africa is my country. I'm African. It's the Africa country. No one gonna go. No one is gonna go. And our children gonna go to school. And another building from school. You're gonna stick with you.
Why they keep children to them? Why they keep children to them?
But the question is that they are saying your government must have documents to be here.
No, all of us, you got the document. You understand me? You got the document. You understand me? And all of this they are studying here, you are paying for them. Everybody, you are paying for them. You understand me? No, those people, why they could have come in to stop our kids? You understand me? And that's the day they could have started to kidnap our kids.
Document they
You understand me?
A document for the kids.
That's what they are doing so good.
They require all the paper where you stay, address, bank statement.
We give it the paper, everything.
There's no even one person who they can get registered without a document. So they said that they will not pay tax. We are working to pay tax. Here, we pay. So I don't understand what the problem is. And if I ask two people there, you come here to register your child and you didn't get a place. Show me which paper you came to register your child here.
There are people who from April who are saying they came. They haven't got space for foreign national kids.
And they do the same thing. At the hospital, they do the same thing. All over, they do the same thing. They come like you by the school. Why they still they don't do them? You understand me? If they know they have problems, they must fight in between them. They can't come in to fight in the foreigner. What the foreigner they do to them? What the foreigner to do to them? To be in South Africa, you need to have in the paper. All of us got the paper. Our kids, before they enter here, give the paper.
Wokuzofaka izingane zasewa 26 esikoleni e-Addington yasewa 26 manje sibona ingathi nayo seyayenza akasayenzi le esizwe esenze ukuthi singumphakathi wala sizohlala la sizogada umzimba
Yiphi yona leyo?
besizogada ukuthi ena sizothi akekho umuntu ozofika nge-first day yekuvulwa kwezikolo azovimba abantwana bokufika ukuthi bangangeni.
So uJacinta usho lokho
kumedia phela yatrend into babazovimba bokufika ingakho thina size la besize futhi nokuthini nokuzofaka ingane sizocela uprincipal lezo ingane ezingakwazanga uku-admitheka last year ukuthi zikwazi naye ukuthi masebeqedile uhlelo lwabo lwesikole umsebenzi sikawuphazamisa sibe sesifaka simcela uprincipal asifakele ingane sekwa-26
Kodwa uJacinta uthi nangu kade simu-interview.
yileyo esibhudayo
Imake mkhaya uthi uJacinta yena akavimbi muntu. uJacinta uthi yena iy'ngane zala yizona phela yinikwe kuqala ispace kulezofika.
njengobani uJessica sikhona nje i-community sinekhansela sine-ward committee sinemibutho eminingi yomkhandlu uza njengobani uJessica ewa 26 bekhona abantu basewa 26 sicela ukubuza uJessica uze njengobani ewa 26 uJessica sikhona or maybe asikho ke i-leaders zasewa 26 azikho akanandaba nazo bendicela nje ukuzibuzela nje right ngiyabonga.
Okay, sanibonani, igama lami ngingiyolanda Zikhali, activist yase South Beach. Into edala ukuthi namhlanje size la ukuthi sibone sizwe ukuthi kuthiwa kuzovalwa abantu bokufika ukuthi bangangeni ezikoleni. Yet sithi ubuntu sonke sigama Africa akekho umuntu onelungelo lokuthi ingane ingafundi. Also, singumphakathi wase South Beach, we are not happy about even lento bayenze esibhedlela ukuthi abantu bokufika bangangeni. Bayagula, bayanama TB, baya defaulter kuyiko konke, but they just come from the location to stop the people from to enter at the hospital. So ingakho sidala ukuthi sibe la namhlanje sizoprotecta abantu bokufika cause siyabantu ababodwa. Akekho umuntu onelungelo lokuvumela ukuthi ingane ukuthi ingangeni esikoleni because lezi ingane nje babesithi ezangaphandle zingangeni zizobamba inkunzi egcineni zizohamba zokwenza prostitution. So abantu abangenza ama political abo lana ama interests abo, please sicela bahlehle eSouth Beach, please just back off eSouth Beach. Siyabonga.
So Yolanda, before I let you go, Yolanda, there have also been, lobby groups saying ukuthi they've received complaints kunabazali abangayitholi ikhala for ingane zabo because some of these spaces have been occupied by children which belong to foreign national parents, and also they have been saying in fact foreign nationals are wasting the resources that should be used by South Africans.
Kuloko ukuthi ama foreigner waste ama resources ngicela ungayiphawuli but engakusho ukuthi la kunezingane ezisuka emalokishini uMashu uMlazi Ntuzuma Lamonti everywhere, but why laba abacomplaina besithi isikhala sivimba abo kufika ba applyile akekho wonke umuntu by April kuyavula ukuthi akuzo apply abantu aba apply. So
okay.
They said you can't ask us to vote, and then when we voted, you want to cater for the whole of Africa, because they like saying that everyone has a right, but what the rights also have limitations, and the limitation to those rights is that there must be available resources. If there are no available resources, you have nothing that forces you to cater to South African children. We don't have a problem with them as human beings, but we don't owe them anything. We don't owe these African people anything. They've got their government. There's Mnangagwa there. He was buying cars for his people. Instead of going to Zimbabwe fighting him to build them schools so they don't have to come here, they're busy here fighting us. We don't owe these people anything. They don't vote. You see these ones, they don't vote. They were not born here. They're not South Africans. In the morning they can wake up and go to their country. What option do we have? What option do our children have? And it's time now. We're calling on all patriotic South Africans. We're calling on lawyers, we're calling on advocates, anyone who's in the legal fraternity to help us take this government on, because they're taking us for a ride. We know that the government ministers and MECs or whoever and the president have minds in Africa that they're busy protecting at the expense of South African children. They must take those minors and go with them to wherever they want, and they must take care of their minds, not at the expense of South African children. Never. Never.
Just understand that there's been some of the just here.
Never thought I'd see the day where foreigners are swearing at us in our own country. I mean, they've been telling me to my face that they're going to kill me. They've been saying to my face that the police are in their pockets. Like right here. Right? I'm sitting here with a list of close to 100 parents who don't have a spot in school. And this school here says that they're full. All these parents have been applying since last year, some of them early this year. And the answer that you get is that the school is full. And I asked one question. I'm like, as a principal of a school, how do you decide that a child that is from Nigeria, thousands of kilometers from here, deserves a spot in a school over a South African child who has no other option, who can't go to another country and claim that they are a refugee or an asylum seeker? The only home that they have is this country. It breaks my heart to see this and to see that we have a government that really does not care so much about their own people, that we have been standing here since yesterday, Pila. The principal of Addington didn't come out to meet with us. All he did was say that the school is full. He didn't even take a minute to come and engage with the parents. Now we're getting sworn at by these people telling us that their children have a right to an education. They are all African. So it's our children that mustn't get a spot because we are all African. What about South African children? What are our options? What are the options for a South African child who has been sitting at home because we've got a parent whose child has been sitting at home since last year because she didn't get admission here? Then we've got another parent who they sent on the other side of town. She says, I can't afford to take my child to the other school because it's too expensive. Is the Department of Education going to subsidize those parents who have to take their children to other sides of the country, of the city, because they can't afford? I don't understand. What is the thing about foreigners that our government feels they need to cater for them so much that they need to compromise their own? This is the future of this country.
Yeah.
These are our children.